Okay, good morning, class. Okay, before we start, let us pray first. Okay, Vincent, can you lead the prayer? Okay, in the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Okay, let's check your attendance. Okay, first, who's absent for today? Okay, so how's your day so far? How's your day so far, class? Okay, that's good to know. So are you ready to discuss our new topic today? Okay, that's good that you are all ready to discuss or to listen on our topic today. And I'm already ready to discuss the new topic for today. Okay, so, okay, but before that, I would like to, um, I would like to explain my rules and regulation of this class before I start my discussion. Okay, first rule is that listen respectfully without interrupting. So while I'm discussing in front, you should all be respectfully quiet and also respectfully listen like that. Okay, allow everyone the chance to speak. Okay, if you are done answering the question or you already have the chance to answer or you got the chance to answer, then respect your classmate or allow your classmate um, to express his answer or her answer. Okay, then be aware of people's reactions and feelings and try to respond appropriately. So if you find your classmate that his or her answer is wrong, then you respond appropriately, like with respect. Okay? Understood? Okay. Okay, next one is to acknowledge the student who raised their hands and give their answers by clapping your hand. So that is very clear, huh? If your classmates got the correct answer, then we should clap our hands so that appreciate nato or maganahan si ang atong classmate, so that our classmate will be loved to answer, okay? And lastly, raise your left hands if you want to answer in order to avoid misinterpretation. So, if you want to answer, or if you have clarification, you should raise your right hand so that identify so that I can identify who was willing to answer, or so that we can avoid interruption. Okay. So, now, before we start, uh, what was our last topic yesterday? Okay, anyone? Okay, Mary Jane. Okay, stand up. Okay. Okay, thank you. Our last topic yesterday is about functions of water and different kinds of water. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, so now, do you want to play a game? Okay. So now I have here pictures that I'm going to show you. Okay. The first picture that I'm gonna show is the boy who is drinking. The boy was drinking his water. Okay. So what does the boy doing, class? What does the boy doing? Okay, the boy is drinking his water. Okay, very good. Okay, so what we should do if our classmate got a correct answer, okay, we should clap our hands. Okay, very good. So now, how about this second picture? Uh, the, the boys and girls are swimming in the pool. So what are they doing, class? Okay, they are swimming in the where? In the pool. Okay, very good, very good. Very good, class. Okay. Then this one is washing clothes. So what is she doing? The girl, what is she doing? She's washing the clothes. Okay, very good, class, very good. And now, last one, washing vegetables. So what do you think is that, class? Okay, she's washing the vegetables using what did she use while washing the vegetable? Okay, the water. Okay, very good class. Okay. Okay, now so let us first identify what can you observe in the picture that I presented a while ago? So class, a while ago I presented a pictures or I said a pictures. What what do you think is that? What have you observed? Okay, the picture shows the different uses of water. Okay, very good. So now what are those? What are those what are those pictures that I show? Okay, the water like the boy drinking his water, washing vegetables and washing clothes, and also the last one is swimming in the pool. Okay, very good. So, what do you think is our lesson today, class? What do you think? Okay, anyone? Okay. So our topic for today is all about uses of water in our daily activities. Okay, again, class. Can you repeat after me? Okay. Uses of water in our daily activities. Okay, very good. So now, so I have here learning objectives. So at the end of the lesson, pupils are expected to achieve at least 90% of proficiency level of the following behavior. So we have the cognitive in your mind's class like that. Identify the uses of water in our daily activities. And psychomotor lists down the different uses of water. And the affective, give the importance of water in your life. Okay, so that's our learning objectives for today. So now, let us first identify what is water. Okay, water is the clear liquid. Okay, first, anyone who can read? Okay, anyone who wants to read? Okay, ako na lang mag-read. Okay, you want me to read so that you can fully understand. Okay. Water is the clear liquid that has no color. No, water is no color the glass. Taste or smell. So wala siya panglasa or baho. So amo na siya ang water. That falls from cloud as rain. O nakabantay mo anak class nga magdula-dula man jud mo pag muulan. So that is also out water. And also that forms streams, lakes and seas. And that is used for drinking, and washing. And it says here that it forms streams, lakes, and seas. So kanang gikaliguan nato nga mga dagat, mga sapa, mao na ang water. And also, water is also used for drinking, washing, and etc. So, daghan jud kay useful ang water class like manglaba ka. So manglaba ka gamit jud ang water. Okay. So now, okay. Today we will discuss the uses of water in our daily activities. So this is our learning objectives. Okay, okay. Okay, who can give me an example of showing the uses of water in your life? Okay, who can give me an example? Okay. So thank you. Your example is taking a bath every morning and toothbrushing. Okay, that's very good. Taking a bath, it also uses water. And also toothbrushing, we also use water while if we're done toothbrushing, then we also use water to wash our mouth. And also washing face or hand. So so if we want to wash our hands, we also use water. And also for drinking, washing clothes and washing food and also cooking. So daghan jud kaayo ang use ang water. There are a lot of many uses of water. And without water, these things are impossible. Okay? So what else? Anyone? What else? Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you. Okay, good job. Okay, good job everyone. We also use water in other household like chores, cleaning equipment and cooling down machinery. Household chores katong ano talag class ka na mang map ta sa tong mga salog like magamit ta og tubig. And also in cleaning equipment like mga equipment sa motor atong ng washingan o we also use water. And also for cooling down machinery, for example, init kaayo ang kanang makina. So water can also be used to cool down the heat of the machine. So okay class. So now I have here a group activity. So let us have your group activity. I will divide you into two groups. Two groups. But before we start our group activity, what are the standards to be followed in doing a group activity class? So what are the standards to be followed during activity? So the standard to follow in doing group activity are we must work quietly. So dapat work quietly siya kay para we cannot disturb or we cannot disturb the other group. Okay? And also share our ideas with the group. O dapat yun nga mag-share og ideas sa group kay para maka-function ang usa ka grupo ug madali ug human. And also cooperate. O cooperation is need for the group activity, guys. Kay if the other one is not working and the other one is working, that's unfair. Okay? That's unfair. And also maulahi mo, madugay mo og build og ideas or answers kay walay cooperation. And also dapat cooperate jud of doing the group activity, okay? And the last one is finish on time. Finish, so dapat kay dagaan man tamog time ang yung group activity, so finish on time gid siya kay para na kanang mahumanta sa exact nga time na atong gigahin ang group activity, okay? So okay, group 1, so Pinoy Henyo ni siya ha. Group 1 is Pinoy Henyo. I mean all of the group are Pinoy Henyo, okay? Act out the uses of water in your daily activities and let the group 2 guess it, okay? So for example, okay, I'll give you an example. For example, imong classmate mag-act siya kanang mag-ana siya kanang siya kabo, kabo. So ang imong ubang ka grupo maoy mo act tong unsay gibuhat sa imong classmate so that makadaog imong grupo magproceed sa next nga level, okay? So group 2, act out the uses of water in your daily activities and let the group 1 guess at. So kaning sa group 1, ang group 2 ang mag-guess kung unsang ilang gi-act. Okay? Kung unsang ilang gibuhat. For example, ang group 1 ang ga-act og toothbrush. Then ang group 2 ang mo-guess. Sila ang mo-answer kung unsa ang gi-act sa group 1. And then sa group 2 po, if sila na ang mag-act, ang group 1 po ang mo-guess. Okay? So murag baylo-baylo ra siya. Okay? Kaya, and also, the more answers, the more chances of winning. Okay. Okay, now, okay, I will giving you 5 minutes to do this group activity. Okay. Okay, time is up. Finish or not finish. Okay, very good class. That was an amazing group activity. Ang inyong ipakita ang inyong mga ability. Okay. That is very nice. Okay, nabilib si teacher kay na-adjust cooperation. Okay. So now, have you learned in our discussion? Okay, very good. Okay, I heard your answer that I have learned the different uses of water in your daily life. Okay. So what you learned from our discussion is that you all learned the different uses of water in your life. Okay. Okay, so give some uses of water in your daily activities. Okay, who can give me an example of uses of water in your daily activities? Okay, water can be used in bathing, correct? Water can be used in washing, correct? Water can be used in cleaning, correct? Very, very good. And also drinking, okay, very good class. That was an amazing answer, very good. Okay, water is very essential in living things like us and animals. Why? So why is it important in us and also in animals like that? Why water is very important? Okay, because without water, we cannot survive. We will die of thirst. Yes, water is the most common or most important um, aspect in human's life. Because without water, we all gonna die. We all gonna die in thirst. Yes. Okay, very good. So now, so before we end my discussion, I have here a evaluation. Okay, direction. Write true if the statement is correct, and false if it's not. Okay, so you will write if the true word if it's correct, and false if it's not. Okay, so the first question is, water is important in our daily life. True or false? Second, water can also be useful in cooling down machinery. True or false? Third one, without water, human and animals can survive. True or false? Okay. Number four, in taking a bath, we do not use water. In taking a bath, we do not use water. True or false? Okay. We use water in cooking things. Is it true or false? Okay, I will be giving you 5 minutes to do that. Okay. Finish or not finish, pass your paper, okay? Okay, finish or not finish, pass your paper. Okay, very good. Okay. Pass your paper in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, finish or not finish, pass your paper. Okay, thank you class. Thank you so much. Okay. So now, I have, before I end my discussion, I have assignment. I have assignment for all of you guys, okay? Draw the water cycle in a short bond paper. Okay, this assignment to be passed tomorrow, okay? Again, draw the water cycle in a short bond paper, okay? In a short bond paper lang guys, and it's up to you if you want to put a color or not lang, or it's up to you guys. Okay, please all stand up because teacher will be leaving soon, okay? Okay, goodbye class. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye class and God bless.